Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the PSD and making sure the text layer is active. This is critical because transforms affect only the selected layer. Once done, choose the Type tool, T, and click into the text to edit live type rather than rasterized pixels. Make sure you note font, current size, and document resolution, 72 dpi for screen, 300 dpi for print, so you understand why proportions change. This establishes the baseline values before resizing. Now resize by choosing one of two controlled methods. If you need typographic precision, open the character panel and enter a specific point size, adjust leading and tracking. This preserves vector text quality. Alternatively, use Free Transform, Control, or CMD+T for visual scaling, drag handles for quick changes. Hold Shift only if you need legacy-constrained scaling. Otherwise, use the width and height fields in the options bar to enter exact percentages. Finish by committing transforms with Enter So Changes stick, and keep the layer as live type whenever possible to allow later edits. If you notice pixelation or blurry edges, make sure the layer wasn't rasterized. Converting text to a smart object before scaling prevents quality loss across repeated transforms. One key tip: if scaling dramatically, convert to Smart Object first, then transform. This preserves vector data and prevents temporary raster artifacts when exporting or printing later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.